Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed my previous video of how to make the quilling dolls. And then you must be wondering where to use these sweet little dolls. So here is a perfect example, a quilling wall clock. Let me give you a closer look of the clock and the dolls. So as you can see, it's bright and beautiful, isn't it? So for the base I have used hard cardboard, and then for every hour I have made small slits and stuck a piece of cardboard in it, as you can see there, and then I have stuck the dolls over it. For the center I have used 155mm colorful quilling papers and bordered it with French flowers. Again the quilling French flowers, and then a small little coils green color one over it. So this was all about quilling, and then I have attached dots movement behind, and with this my clock is ready and it looks beautiful. Hope you liked my creation and thank you for watching.